Today we're going to be doing menu 20, Italian sausage with peppers and onions and a marinara sauce. So let's go ahead and open up, rate it 1 through 10. So the first item that we see in here is our main meal with cardboard. We then have our nut raisin mix. Then we have towelette, salt, toilet paper, creamer, coffee, sugar, and sweetener. Then we have cranberries. We have our nuts. We got cheese shred, our crackers. We got a drink mix, which it looks to be lemonade. And then heater, spoon, and beverage bag. So let's go ahead and start cooking. In here, so we're just gonna add some water. Shake it on up. And then we grab the cardboard and place it on a rock or something. Rock or something, and then make sure you place your cheese underneath. Where did I place the cheese? There you are. Needing it soon, so we're going to set it there. First, we're going to go ahead and open the nut and raisin mix, which I don't like raisins, so hopefully we got something good in it other than just raisins. Calories 350, total fat 27, saturated 4, sodium 15, 22 carbs, 5 fiber, 14 sugars, 12 protein. They have M&Ms in it. That's fine. We can eat around though. Raisins. Nuts are pretty good. The M&M's pretty good. So, eating around it, not too bad. We'll go ahead and give that a 7, mainly because it has raisins in it, but everything else in the mix is pretty good. Next, we're going to go over the cranberries. 190 calories, 0.5 fat, 47 carbs, 3 fibers, 41 sugars, 38 added, calcium 5, iron 1, potassium 30. Not too much of a big cranberry guy, but we'll go ahead and try it because I haven't had MRE cranberry yet. A little sweet, so not too much of a fan. We'll give that like a 6. So we got our beverage bag. We're going to make our lemonade real quick. Boom. Their lemonade actually goes pretty hard, which is nice. Nice and sweet. So that's their lemonade. So without anything added into it, that is a 9 out of 10 because it is the right amount of sweetness and lemonade's pretty good. Go over the cracker. 5 fat, 2.5 saturated, 130 sodium, 28 carbs, 1 fiber, 4 protein. The main goal is try not to break the cracker. Oh, perfect. And then we're going to grab our cheese sauce that was sitting under the heater. It is still nice and warm. Not too bad. We'll save the cheese for the main meal, but that's going to be 8. So it's about that time. So let's go over the nutrition facts real quick. So you got 270 calories, 14 fat, 4.5 saturated, 55 cholesterol, 1,070 sodium, 17 carbs, 2 fibers, 7 sugars, 19 proteins, and that's for the Italian sausage. So let's go ahead, open it up, and clean it up. All right, opening up the main meal. Lovely. Smells actually really good though. The appearance doesn't look too well, but it does smell really good. So let's go ahead and take a bite. It's not too bad. It's just a kielbasa. Not many peppers, actually, like it says, or onions. But it does taste pretty good. The kielbasa has a super strong flavor. Overpowers that tomato sauce. Trying to find like onion. There we go. Yeah, the kielbasa still takes that flavor over quite a bit. So we're going to go ahead and rate that an 8. Reason why it's not higher is because like the kielbasa has a weird texture when chewing it. It's not like a sausage. It's kind of a little bit more chewier. But the taste is amazing. The kielbasa has a super strong flavor. Taste forgot, we also have the nuts here. 13 fat, 1.5 saturated, 0 cholesterol, 2 times sodium, 4 carbs, 2 fiber, 1 sugar, 7 protein. Honestly, those are just going to be these same nuts. See? We already had nuts. They just decided to give us even more. But I don't know why we need 2 nut products, but that works. Cases are on the TikTok shop. Come see us tomorrow.